some clothes online like a couple of days ago, and they literally just arrived this morning. I'll unbox it. So I actually feel so broke, like I cannot. And I really hope this jeans that I bought fits me, because if it doesn't, then I don't even know anymore. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I'm supposed to show you it. I'm so bad at this. But okay. Bought a pair of jeans. They're quite wide, I guess. Wait, let me open it. These are the jeans that I bought. I think they're from Stradivarius. Oh my god, I can't even say that. Stradivarius. But yes, I'll try them on later on. I feel like this is going to be quite long on me since I'm not very tall. So what I'll do is, I guess I'll just cut the ends. And then I bought this top as well. I saw this, yeah, and it honestly looks so cute. This will look good with like a skirt or something. I think, yeah, I bought this from the same brand as well. Stradivarius. But yeah, it's just like this cute top. It's cute. And what else did I buy? Oh yeah, I bought these shorts for some reason. I don't know why, but I don't know. I guess when I was looking at the shorts, I was like imagining myself wearing it in the Philippines. Like, oh my god. I'm already in holiday mode, even though I'm not even going to the Philippines this year. They're quite wide. They look cute. And oh, this black top that has like a ribbon like as a design on the side. Wait, so basically this, hold on, what is this? Did I buy another jeans? Wait, did I buy two jeans? I don't even know. Oh my god, I literally forgot. So there's 3 items: the shorts, the top, and the jeans. They're from Stradivarius, and this one is from Kaya. But yeah, it's really cute. As you can see, there's like a little bow. And I was gonna buy the white one of this, but I was scared that it was gonna be see-through. Like, I hate tops that are like see-through. Like, why? But yeah, and I feel like this will look cute with the shorts. And this one, oh yeah, I bought this top. It's like an off-shoulder long sleeve top, and this is from ASOS Design. But yeah, it's really cute. You know, this would look cute with a pair of jeans and also like denim miniskirt. That would look cute, or like a long maxi skirt. You know, sorry guys, so the video got cut off, but yeah, so I guess I bought another. Oh wait, this is not jeans. This is okay guys, I am so annoyed. My video keeps cutting off because I have not got enough storage on my phone, so I'm gonna do this quite quickly. But yes, so this is flowy skirt. It's like it's quite long. It's like a flowy maxi skirt, and it's from New Look, so I hope it fits me. Let me open it. I feel like I have a timer now since I don't want it to cut off. But yeah, so oh my god, it's long. It's long. I need to cut it because the struggles of being short. But yeah, and then I bought these I bought this necklace. It's like a little like ribbon bow necklace. It's really cute. Oh gosh, it's tangled. Wait, look. Oh wait, you can't see, but it's cute. It's like a ribbon. I then bought the Glow Play Lip Balm. Well, my other one, it ran out, so this is probably one of my used lip balm. Like, I use this almost like whenever I go somewhere or like run an errand, then I use this because it's very It's very like a natural looking lip balm, and I like how it's like glossy and stuff. And this is in the shade of 452. That tickles. Why is it named like that? Let me try it on. But it's a very natural looking lip balm on my lips, and hopefully I'll try sort out my phone so then it doesn't like cut off. I really need to invest in a camera because hopefully I can save enough so that I won't have to worry about like storage and stuff on my phone. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this unboxing. See you on the next video. Oh my god, my hair does not. Okay, so for today I want to like cut a little like side bang, side fringe, because I feel like I'm getting quite bored with my hair. So I'm just gonna watch a tutorial. So let's do it. I actually filmed a video of me cutting my hair like a few years ago, so I'm literally just gonna watch how I did it before. So how did I do it? I sectioned it in. The weather for the past few days have been so good lately. Why does my hair feel so greasy? Is this right? Why does this feel like the side fringe is like the whole of my hair? What did I do after that? Okay. She splits it into 3 parts. This little side part will go here. I guess this side part is okay. And then what do I do now?
I'm meant to cut for your hair, but I don't have any.
Oh my god, imagine my hair like this.
So you need to cut it here first.
Oh, I'm scared! Oh my god, there's so much hair. Hold on, I did not think this through. I'm gonna cut it like from up to here, I think. Like just above my nose. So let's just go slow. Like you can't even see, guys, but the way I'm cutting it is so uneven. I'm literally questioning what I'm doing right now. Oh my god. I think Bridgerton, Colin and Penelope's story is going to be out soon, which I'm very, very excited. I think it's coming out this week, or is it next week? Yeah, I need to take this seriously now because we're nearly by above my nose. My hair is so long already. Like I had it cut when I went back home in the Philippines. What month was that? I think it was August or September. No, August. And I think I cut it a bit too short, so I had it like really long, and then I cut it like from up here, and yeah, it was a bit too short for me. But it's okay. Oh, finding this so hard. You know what this is reminding me? Like, you know those K-pop stars where they have like this short of hairstyles? It's quite, I'm actually kind of liking it, not gonna lie. Okay, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Guys, I think I cut it too short. Oh my god, this is not looking, like, look at this. You know what? I don't even what am I doing? I cannot. I think, guys, I think I did it wrong. We're just gonna go with it because I did it wrong. I did not think this through, not gonna lie. Oh my god. I can't even put this back because it's too short. Okay. I'm gonna trust the process. So guys, my hair is looking very uneven right now, but it's okay. We're just gonna cut the layer that the second layer. I was meant to do it in 3 layers, but I did it wrong, so I guess it's just gonna be 2 layers, which is this part. So I'm just like gonna cut it I'm just gonna cut it like up to here. You know what song is stuck in my head? Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. Na 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 espresso. I'm trying to like create like those curtain bangs. I can't even do it. I'm just doing whatever. Literally, I can't relate. Oh my god, I didn't even cut this part. I can't even see what I'm doing. I'm just cutting whatever, which is very, very bad, but oh my goodness, we're not even gonna talk. What happens if I put it in a ponytail? Okay, yeah. So guys, I guess it looks quite okay if I style it, but I'm gonna wash my hair because it feels very greasy because I keep touching it. But yeah, it looks okay, so I guess I'm just gonna leave it. But yeah, so thank you for watching me cut my hair, even though it failed a bit, but yeah, thank you. Hello. So it's the next day, and I will be cooking pork giniling because I feel like it. So this is another, I guess you could say, cooking video segment thing. And also, guys, I kind of messed up my hair. Oh my god, I cannot, like, it just doesn't look right. Oh my god, like, okay, we're not even gonna, oh my god, okay. But yeah, I think it looks weird right now because it's not styled, because my hair is just a mess, and sometimes I just want to shave it all off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I will chop some carrots, potatoes, some garlic, and onions. So I will do that first. Wait, which one's better to cut first? I'm gonna cut the carrots first. So let's cut. I'm using minced pork. I was gonna say minced beef, and it's just on the green tub because I'm defrosting it. See, it just doesn't look. Okay, what am I doing? Wait, let me put you guys down here. You can see what I'm doing. Like, guys, I bought a tripod, but I was gonna use it, but it's too high. I don't know if I mentioned it yesterday, but cool. I started watching this show called Maxton Hall. It's on Prime Video, and oh my god, I'm actually very obsessed. Like, I watched the first episode yesterday, and then I continued till episode 4 today. Actually, no, wait, I can't remember. No. I'm episode 4 now, but I've just watched 2 and 3 earlier, and oh my god. The chemistry between the 2 characters, the 2 main leads, are so good. It's a very addicting show. But I'm very confused on where it's set. Like, I know it's based on a book, and obviously it's fiction, but I'm so confused. Like, I think they're speaking in German, but I'm so confused whether it's set in Germany or is it set in the UK, because there was a scene where the main boy is like this, I don't know, he's like this really rich dude, and his family's business is like making clothes for like the rich people and like the royal family and stuff. I'm so confused. Like, is it set in Germany? Because like they were gonna go see this dress thing, and I thought it was set in like Germany, like in the countryside, the rich countryside, until like the main boy was like saying, oh, we're gonna go to London. I was like, huh? How are you guys gonna go to London? But I guess we can go by a train or like by a plane. But then they literally went to London by driving. But I'm so confused on where this is set. And when I first watched the first episode yesterday, it was dubbed in English, and guys, I hate it when I watch a show and it's dubbed. Like, I don't know, I just get annoyed. I watched like the first half like in English dub, and I was like, oh my god, I can't watch this. And I really hope this video doesn't cut. Please don't cut. And I'm actually planning to buy an iPad soon, so then I can edit my videos. Wait, am I cutting this too small? I think this is an okay size. Hopefully soon I'll buy the iPad. And then when I finally purchase it, I'm gonna cry because of how expensive it is. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just literally cutting the carrots into small pieces. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the potato. I don't know whether to use 2 potatoes or 1. Maybe I'll just use 1 and just cut it into small pieces. Actually, no. Oh, I don't even know. Like, I'm getting so sleepy, guys. Like, what is the time now? It's literally 4:20. I'm literally cutting these vegetables so slow. Do you know what's somewhat stuck on my head? Basically, I watch Via Austria's vlogs. Whenever she plays a song in the background, it's always Tuscany, Italy. Na, 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 na. It's actually a good song, not gonna lie. It's just the Tuscany, Italy part is stuck in my head. I want to go to Italy. Hopefully soon. Also, guys, a few days ago, yeah, there was like the aurora in the sky. And oh my goodness. The only time, well, the only chance that I could probably see it, I was in bed. I swear the people that saw it in their back garden, oh my god, so lucky. We will then cut the potato. I can't believe I went to bed. I didn't see it. Oh, I can't stop thinking about that show I was watching earlier. It's so good. Like the fact that he's the one that fell first. When I had an argument in the classroom, bro, she literally killed him. I was like shouting. I was like, yeah! Their argument is like so intense. I'm like, damn. Oh my god, I need to cut this into cubes, and I'm literally cutting them. This is not in cubes. This is in freaking slices. Okay, wait. I need to rethink what I'm trying to do, because oh my god. Actually, no. The way I'm cutting it is okay, I think. Oh my god, do you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to cut the potatoes. What? I meant I forgot to wash the potatoes. I'm just gonna, hold on, let me just wash the potatoes. Wow, this is so late. So I finished cutting the potatoes, and I don't think I'm gonna cut this one because look. Wait, if I show you, then they literally look quite okay. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is because I don't want to cut too much. And guys, I'm getting so sleepy. What is up with me? Now I'm gonna cut the onions. Wait, actually no, I'll cut the garlic first. Hold on. But I don't know how many pieces of garlic I should use. Should I use 4? But then on the thing here, on the guide, on the instruction, it says that she's using 6 cloves of chopped garlic. Does that mean she's using all 6 of this? I'm just gonna use 4. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. One day I hope to attend 17's concert, because I was so close to going to the follow tour in the Philippines, but I never got to go. So guys, I'm now using the tripod, but yeah, so I'm gonna start cooking now. I'm gonna cook the vegetables first. We'll add oil. Hold on, let me just open the window. Is this too? Okay. Just wait for that. I guess my hair looks okay. Kind of. It just looks like a badly cut hair, which I did. My fault. I look like I'm an expert cooking, and I'm not. I'm so not an expert at cooking. Because I've cooked giniling before, but I didn't have enough tomato. Like, I used like real tomatoes, and my mom told me I could use the tomato paste, and I didn't even know. So yeah, I literally just cooked. It was a fail, but at the same time, it actually tasted alright. So yeah. Let's add a bit of salt. And a bit of pepper. Where's the pepper at? Ooh. Apparently it has to be lightly toasted, so we'll have to wait for quite a while. That's nice. Okay, so guys, I think it's okay now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this in a separate dish. Where is the plate? I'm just gonna scoop it. Ah. Be careful, guys, be careful. Just taste some of this. It tastes okay. It tastes quite bland. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna use the same pan. Now gonna add the onions and the garlic. So I'll just wait for a bit. So guys, I changed it to a different pan because that pan, it's sticking. So I've just added the garlic and the onions. Ah! Okay, so I'm just gonna let the pork cook when it's like brownish color. And then she added the tomato sauce. What it tastes like. Missing a bit of taste. Maybe add a bit of. Oh god, it's missing taste. I'm gonna add tomato paste, tomato puree. I don't know how much I will add, but and after I added this, I will then add water. At this point, guys, I don't really know what I'm doing now. I think I added too much tomatoes. Hey guys, so the weather today is really good. Like, it's so sunny, and this is the result of my hair. I don't even know if it looks good, but I don't know if you guys can hear the background, but I'm watching a vlog. Her name is Jessica, but I'm currently reading this book called Before We Were Strangers. I started it like 2 days ago, and I'm literally just on chapter 3, and it's good so far. Nothing really much is happening because I guess we're just kind of getting to know I think the main dude is called Matt, And from what I can understand is that he's a photographer and he's like working in National Geographic, and he's feeling kind of sad at the moment. Like he feels like his life is stagnant. It feels like nothing really much is happening, and I think he's 39. Is he 39? I can't remember. Is he 36? I don't really know. But what's worse is that he's working in the same company as his ex-wife. I feel like that's just too awkward. But yeah, so what I'm doing is that I'm just reading the last few, chapter 1 and chapter 2, because there are some bits that I want to highlight, and I know it's quite extra highlighting things, but there are some stuff that I really like this is literally just what I do. I just highlight the stuff that I like, and then I just annotate. Like, I don't know, I really like doing that. It's because when I look back in the future, I'll be able to like read my thoughts on what I was thinking now. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't do it to all of my books, because there are some books that I really enjoy reading, and I can't be asked to just like highlight it and like annotate it, because I just want to read on because it's just too good. But I'm guessing this book is gonna be really good, because I've seen so many good reviews of it. And not gonna lie to you guys, this book has been sitting in my TBR list for a very long time, probably like 3 years. It's literally been sitting in my bookshelf for a long time. So just to let you know, I don't annotate like seriously. Like, my type of annotating is that if there's like a really funny scene, I then write ha 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 ha, or I don't know, I just write the things that comes up in my head. Like, it's not the stuff that I'm annotating is literally not that serious, unless if the story has like a serious topics, then yeah, I'll write down my thoughts on what I think. So yeah, you guys can just watch me annotate. I don't know where I am. Also, I don't know why, but instead of me reading from the first chapter, I'm literally annotating backwards, if that makes sense. I don't know why I'm doing that, but it's okay. I understand what's happening. Plus, the chapters are really short. They're like 2 or 3 pages, which I like. I don't like when the chapters are like so long. I'm just like dreading. I'm like, why is the chapter so long? But yeah. So, and also I have to go down later on to buy food, and I'm really hungry. Like, I haven't even eaten, but it's okay, I can wait. It's too close, isn't it? Wait, I don't think I'm gonna highlight. Let me just do this. He's 36. He's 36, not 39.
one's left and right? Which one's left and right?
I would go right channel.
That was funny.
Just follow me because I'm following the person.
Wait. If you do it wrong, you look like a donut. You generally look like a donut.
Too large, my bad.
I'm eating at the moment. I went down to get some food and I was gonna film outside, but I got so shy, so I just didn't end up. But I'm just watching the Korean Englishman. I think they're on military right now, and I'm just eating KFC. So let's eat, guys. I just ordered chips and the barbecue bites thing and the rice salad. It's nice. Uh.